people are waking up to the idea that money is fake. The U.S. dollar is fake. And that started in 1971 when the Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. But as I said, it actually started in 1964 when I was 17 years old and I saw a silver coin was copper. When somebody's screwing me. So with that said, that's why I want to thank Slayer. I love his due diligence. He understands his stuff. He's well. Please tune into his site, Silver Slayer, and stay tuned with what he has to say because this market is going to be volatile as hell. Don't miss it. Any comments there, Sarah?
Yeah, I really appreciated his kind of wisdom as such a young guy, and he is so passionate about spreading the word and getting everybody educated.
Today, Kiyosaki's caution against phony money is more pertinent than ever. Your dollars are losing value every day because governments are producing money like there's no tomorrow. When paper money fails, you can rely on silver since it is genuine, palpable, and valued.
Give me 2 other reasons why people should buy silver other than the fact that it's cheap.
I think that the 2 most important reasons are it's like putting your money in a time capsule. I'm just going to give one short kind of explanation of how this could apply and how it did apply in real life. A walking Liberty $0.50 back in the day could get you a gallon of gas, 50 cents, right? Gallon of gas.
A $0.50, 50 cents.
Yeah. That same exact coin can get you a gallon of gas today. Not the 50 cents face value, but I could take that walking Liberty, walk down to my local coin shop, sell it for $10 and get myself a couple gallons of gas. This same coin can get me back in the day what it can today. Nothing else can do that.
That's a great metaphor, great analogy.
Yeah.
What's the other reason?
I would say the other reason is probably it's money. I mean, the dollar's lost 98% of its original purchasing power. If you keep $50,000 in your bank account compared to $50,000 in silver, I mean, what would happen? It's something that I think a lot of people are underestimating. Like when you were saying that in the beginning, you could buy silver right now for $28.
Consider silver to be a time capsule that keeps your money intact. Silver keeps its value throughout time, whereas fiat currencies lose value. Additionally, if you're searching for a reliable option to invest in precious metals, Augusta Precious Metals helps you protect your money from inflation and economic uncertainty by offering gold and silver at extremely cheap costs.
And the bad news is the world economy is collapsing. But the good news is the number one investment that everybody in the world can afford is silver. Everybody. And that's the good news. But will most people buy it? No, they'll save money instead. And they'll save money in spite of the fact that they're printing trillions of it. So our guest today is Silver Slayer, and he comes from the great state of Ohio. And he's a silver enthusiast, so we're going to interview him as to why he thinks silver. I mean, that's pretty narrow bandwidth there, silver. Most people are into stocks, bonds, mutuals, and all this stuff, but why silver? So anyway, welcome to the program, Mr. Silver Slayer.
Nice to have you.
Kiyosaki's statement that silver is currently the finest investment is a wake-up call. Compared to gold, silver is undervalued, and its use in industry, solar energy, and technology is rapidly increasing. The time to invest before prices spike is rapidly coming to an end.
And the biggest thing about gold and silver, it's world money. It's global money. I can carry it anywhere in the world, and there's a market for it. It's liquid. I can get in and out of it in a day. The trouble with real estate, and I love real estate, as you know, real estate is available for a different reason. It's debt and taxes. I buy a lot of real estate on debt, and I pay no taxes. But I save my money. I don't save dollars. I save gold and silver. Now, if I need the money, I can go to Jerry Williams, American Precious Metals, and I can, liquid. Yeah. I'll be liquid that day. Right. He gives me cash for it.
Right.
So that's what liquidity, where real estate is not liquid. And so those are some of the fine differences.
When you have liquidity, you can quickly turn your gold and silver into cash when you need it. In a crisis, precious metals may be sold swiftly, unlike stocks or real estate. Because of this, silver is a crucial component of a well-rounded investing strategy, particularly during uncertain times.
spot is the price of that product all over the world. So that's why I've always recommended gold and silver, because it's universal. It's global money. Also, gold and silver are God's money. It wasn't printed by the Federal Reserve Bank or the Bank of England or the Bank of Tokyo. Gold and silver were put here by God. I'm not really religious, but they're on the periodic table of elements, you know. Like, I forget what's gold's something and silver 74 or something like that. So that's why I recommend gold and silver. But it took me to 1972 standing in front of this little Vietnamese woman in front of her gold. And that wasn't a gold mine, but she was the vendor for the mine. And she goes, spot. And I was doing my best to negotiate the thing down.
Because gold and silver have been valuable for thousands of years, Kiyosaki frequently refers to them as God's money. They cannot be devalued by any administration. Investing in silver at this time allows you to place your faith in a long-lasting investment.
Because I know why I like it. I'll go into that.
There's a million things. I mean, I call it the perfect investment. Even back in like biblical times, they thought silver was magical. Silver can purify water. You put silver in milk, it keeps the milk fresh longer. You know, it responds to other metals like nothing else. You know, it's the most highly conductive metal for thermal conductivity, electricity, even light sensitivity. It's scarce, but it's more for me lately the industrial sector, not only the monetary like a lot of people focus on, but the industrial sector.
Right.
We need so much silver heading forwards. The Green New Deal just started. We exceeded 1.112 billion ounces this year alone. How many billions of ounces by the year 2030? But we could barely keep up with that demand already. I mean, solar panels increasing, electric vehicles by the year 2030, every automobile company. Where's that silver going to come from? We don't have enough. And I think for me, my stance is I think that's really what's going to take the price forwards is the lack of silver, but also including that with the monetary side of things.
Silver is essential for industrial application in addition to being a valuable commodity. Due to its special qualities, silver will continue to be in high demand for applications ranging from electronics to medicine. Silver's worth will only increase as more industries use it. Robert Kiyosaki's message is clear. Investing in silver is no longer optional, it's urgent. In a world where fiat money is losing value and economic uncertainty looms, silver could be your financial safety net. Augusta Precious Metals makes it easy to invest in gold and silver at excellent prices, helping you secure your wealth for 2025 and beyond. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link below to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and start protecting your wealth today. Don't forget to check our latest video about the best retirement investment strategies there is. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to stay informed about the latest investing strategies. Secure your future now.